I'm here recording my intro again because I got my mount, but I still gotta put it up. So, and I still gotta clean the old one off, the goop that's still on the window. So I gotta clean that off first. So we're doing the intro now. I just literally just recorded the outro. And so this is my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. For my bonus, I needed 15 offers for $3. And of course, we're tracking for the larger one as well. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the guns. And so if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button. Support your girl. So as far as this haul, I have some printables that I definitely want to try out today. And of course, I already know how they went. And so if you want to see how that played out, definitely keep watching. This wasn't a bad trip for me today, though. I was happy to try using coupons because I have not been couponing at all. Like, I haven't been using coupons. Like, when people say, oh, you're a couponer, it's like, it's weird because it's like, I feel like there should be a different name for us, because at least those of us that don't really use coupons, I know a lot of us use digital coupons and stuff, but I don't do a lot of like digital type deals. Like, I don't do CVS, I don't do the drugstores. And so I feel like we need like another name for like us, because I don't really consider myself like a couponer per se. But starting to get more coupons and stuff lately, and printing. I had to buy another printer, and so trying to get back into using coupons, and so excited about that. And so other than that, y'all, I'm rambling really. I'm gonna head over to Walmart. Well, I already did. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into these deals. We're gonna see what kind of awesomeness we can grab today. If you want to teach your girl got you know what to do.
All right, so this first deal is on the Sky Valley Sriracha. This offer popped back up on aisles. I think I'm gonna pass for today. Maybe it'll pop it back on Ibotta. That would be awesome. And so you're gonna grab one at $5.22. You'll get that back through aisles, making this absolutely. This is next deal. They only have one only little bag on the mothers. They're priced at $3.42 for this. You want to grab two? You'll pay $6.84. Getting back 5 on Tada. Now make sure you check the sister apps, because I only have $5 on Tada. The other 3 sisters are at $4. All right, and then getting back a total of $172 from checkout 51. Bring these down to only 6 cents, and you'll also hit that bonus because I got the candy already. So I'll get back the extra $1, which will actually make these a moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Armorall. Did I say Armorall? I did. On the Body Armor waters, they're priced at $127 for this. You want to grab 2. I found these little hang tag coupons a while ago. So you'll pay $154, and then you'll get back 50 cents for each on Ibotta, which will bring them down to only 27 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the Cape Cod. I did do this in my very last video. I grabbed the sea salt and vinegar one. These are priced at $3.94. You can also grab the 40% less fat as well. The offer on Shopkick is 875 buy-in scan kicks, which is $3.50. It brings them down to only 44 cents each, with a limit of, why am I stuttering so much? With a limit of 4 per flavor. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just max it out. I got these 4. There's only 2 of this one. And so yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do this deal, since they'll be super cheap. So my next deal is on the Lala Gold. It's on the yogurt smoothies. These are priced at $2.36, getting back 250 buy-in scan kicks, which is $1 on Shopkick. $1.99 on Ibotta makes this only 17 cents. All right, so this next deal I saw Miss Danielle post using the printable, and I totally forgot about it. And so I definitely went ahead and printed me a couple coupons. They are priced at $6.96 for this. You're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these and use 2 of these printables here. That's gonna bring that total down to you paying $9.92. You'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta. There's also 5 on inbox dollars as well, making these only 46 cents each. Right, so this next deal is on the Nestle Nido. It's the powdered milk. This is considered the international section. I mentioned this in my last video, and the kicks are going up. And so I'm kind of like, should I get them now or should I just wait? Because I feel like if it increases one more time, it'll be free for sure. Well, they're both priced at $6.76. The one with the red, you're getting back a total of 1,565 buy-in scan kicks, which is $6.26. Makes it 50 cents. The fortified one, for that one, you're getting back 1,490 buy-in scan kicks, which is $5.96. So it'd make that 80 cents. So 50 cents, 80 cents. This next deal is on the Lysol air sanitizer. This is on the air freshener aisle. I saw Miss Danielle do this deal as well. They are priced at $7.27. We have a $3 printable. You'll pay $4.27, getting back $3 on Ibotta. Makes them $1.27 each. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 4 of them. So this next deal is on the Tresemme. As you can see, this store does not have a lot. So I've been unaliving this deal. I have probably gotten at least, what, close to 35, 36 bottles so far. Ordered 2 more sets of Tresemme coupons this morning. I'll pop up the person I get my eyepiece from. And so they're priced at $5.98 for Shopkick, 1,115 buy and scan kicks. There's 7 different varieties, total of 14 different offers. There's one for shampoo, one for conditioner for each variety. You want to grab one of them priced at $5.98. I've been using this $1.50 printable here. Scans perfectly fine in self-checkout. You end up paying $4.48 out of pocket, getting back 1,115 buy and scan kicks, which is $4.46. Makes them only 2 cents each. And so I'm going to see what I can do based on what they have, but make sure you scan them just to make sure that they work. This next deal is on the Dove Men Care. Where is it at? It's the 2-in-1. So it's priced at $4.98. I ordered some dollar printables. I don't know if they're gonna scan. We're gonna see. All right. So if you grab one at $4.98, use the printable. You end up paying $3.98 out of pocket. You'll get back a total of 900 scans on Shopkick, which is $3.60. It'll make it only 38 cents with a limit of 2. Okay, now there's also the Dove Men Care, the 2 packs. These are priced at $4.47. Now, if this coupon works, you'll pay $3.47 for buying 2 of them. There is 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60 for each one. And then there's also an offer on Fetch Rewards, spend 8, get back $1.50. So if the coupon works, it'll make it a $1.76 moneymaker. If not, it'll make them 12 cents each, which is still not a bad deal. There's also an offer on the Dove Men Care, the plant-based bars. These are priced at $5.97. I'm getting back 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4. Makes them $1.97. If the dollar coupon works, it'll make them 97 cents. All right, guys, so this deal here was like a last minute deal. Let me just try this to see if it's gonna work. And so it's on the Dove body wash. This is the smaller bottles. They're priced at $5.74. Now, because I have that Fetch Reward offer, spend 8, get back $1.50, I decided to grab a total of 2 of these. Now, I did want to try to use the dollar printables to see if they would work. Now, FYI, it did not scan for me, but the cashier did manually enter it for me. So I paid $9.48. Got back a total of 1,800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $7.20, and then that $1.50 on Fetch Rewards made them both only 39 cents each. All right, you guys, let me announce my first winner of the Purcell and the Gain coupons. The first winner is Rania, I think that's how you say it. You're the first winner of the Peelies. My second winner is Gina. All right, you're my second winner of Peelies. I'm going to pop up my email address, savingwithshay@outlook.com. You guys contact me, and I will get those mailed to you as soon as possible. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Look, I've been doing transactions. So I have to do this deal over here because it is so crowded over there. And so the first thing is on the Alka-Seltzer fizzy melts. They're priced at $5.48, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. 1,000 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4, makes that a 2-cent moneymaker. The Attention Grays, you might have an offer for buy one get one free. I have one that's $4 off. That's priced at $7.98, getting back $4 on Ibotta. $4 on aisles makes that free plus 2 cents. And then the Carefree, I saw Danielle post this deal as well. There is $3 printables on coupons.com. It's $6.68. You'll pay $3.68, get back $3 on Ibotta. Makes it 68 cents. On the Pons, as you can see, they don't have a lot left, but there are 2 that are priced at $5.98, getting back 1,165 buy-in scan kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.66. It makes them $1.32 each. All right, so this deal I decided to add on because I realized the kicks went up on this deal. making it really, really awesome. So the Airborne is priced at $837. We did have an Ibotta offer, but we no longer have that offer. It's $3 back on checkoff 51. We'll also be getting back 1,330 buy-in scan kicks, which is $532 on Shopkick, making this only 5 cents. All right, so this is the last deal. If you still watching, you definitely should be liking this video. So definitely hit the like button, support your girl. It's like the simplest, littlest, freest thing that you can do. And so we're gonna grab these native deodorants. I was surprised to find these because I didn't show them at all online in any of my stores. And so they're priced at $3. I believe the mistletoe one is priced at $2.97. You're getting back 710 buy-in scan kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.80. It makes them only 20 cents, you guys, with a limit of 4 per cent. So I went ahead and maxed this out. This receipt went straight through. Other than that, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right, guys. So here is my haul. It's so dark in here. Oh my God. I've been so busy today, y'all, and I'm barely getting around to doing my outro for this. And so this video most likely won't be up until Saturday morning, hopefully early. But this haul worked out really, really good. Now it does have a net cost for me, which is not necessarily bad considering everything that I got. So of course, per usual, what you don't see on the table is the chips. I've pretty much been doing 20 bags per trip. So I'm doing 10 per transaction and using 2 of the printable coupons. Again, they're taking off $2.45. And then I found the Cape Cod again. I got 2 of these. They only had 2 left. And then I got 4 of the less fat ones. So that's what you don't see on the table. And so yeah, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. Josiah ran out really quick with his papa. So I'm gonna try to do this real quick before they get back with the nieces and the nephews. And so really quick, let's go over some things. So I wanted to try the Dove printable to see if it was gonna work. It worked on the hair and the body wash. Actually, no, it didn't work on the body wash. Cashier was super awesome and she manually put them in for me. But it did not scan on the body washes and it did not scan on the bars. It only scanned on the shampoo, the 2-in-1. All right. Of course, the Tresemme coupon scanning, the Carefree scanned. I did get that back on Ibotta as well. Mercy printable scanned. I did get that back on Ibotta as well. What other coupons? The Lysol worked as well. I did go to self-checkout for that. I actually went to self-checkout for everything just to see what was going to scan for me. And then when the body wash didn't scan and the bars didn't scan, I took those to a regular register. And of course, they didn't scan there either. And so, yeah. Now, this trip, now this was a bit of a headache for Shopkick for me. I've been having issues lately with, like today I had an error message that popped up. Luckily, it went through though, but on the second receipt that I was submitting, it wasn't going through. It kept saying error, try to process again, and it just wouldn't go through. And I didn't want to back out because if you exit out, then you can't go back in and submit that same receipt because it'll say, the system will see that it's been submitted already, even though technically speaking it hasn't. So I'm hoping that they fix the glitch because that's a hassle to have to put a ticket in. And so yeah, all right. On the bright side of it, the receipts did all go through automatically today, which was really cool. And again, same thing as yesterday or when I did my last video, I basically was trying to cash out, do deals, cash out, do deals, kind of like that. I did find the native deodorants at one store. I believe I popped up a voiceover for that part. It didn't say they have these at all in my area. The store closest to the house, they have a display, but it's completely empty. And so when I was at a different store today, I just happened to see the display and I went ahead and grabbed it. That was the same receipt. I did all 12 with 4 of the Tresemmes and it wasn't going through. And then the app crashed. And then when I went back in, it said that the receipt was already submitted before. And so I went to customer service because I didn't want to put a ticket in. I went to customer service and I returned and repurchased the Tresemme on a separate receipt than the deodorant, and they both went through. All right. So I just want to kind of let you know about that little headache with Shopkick. Again, I'm hoping that they fix it. But as you can see, I did Tresemme. I did the 4 different ones today. I just left the ones that were here on the last trip, y'all. I just left them on the table because why replace them with the same thing? And so I just removed the ones that I did not get today. And so, yeah, so let me go ahead and just breeze through this. Oh, if I didn't mention the Nivea, I did put a post on my community tab. A lot of you guys are asking about the community tab. Basically, just go to my channel and click and scroll over to community tab. That's how you get to a person's community tab. But if you're getting the notifications, you should see it in your feed, right? And so I did post this morning on my community tab. That's a Dollar Tree deal, $1.25, 1/4 tree, 1/4 tree more, and then get back $1 on Ibotta. Those do scan, so it is not a glitch unless, of course, they fix it. Which Ibotta probably gonna fix it because they ain't trying to give you nothing for too little, right? They want you to pay a little bit, but hopefully it resets. If it does, I'll be doing that again tomorrow. That'll definitely help me hit that larger bonus that I didn't think that I was gonna hit, but your girl was super duper close. I'll pop up where I am as of right now in the comments. Where are you guys at as far as the bonus? Do you think you're gonna hit it? Have you hit it already? Because I know some of y'all are like lightning bolts. Y'all already done. And so other than that, you guys, let me breeze through this really quick. So everything you see here retails $261.16. My sales tax was $17.73. The coupons we had was $57.80 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $203.36. And then we walk away with, oh my gosh, I got $150 back from Shopkick. That was so freaking awesome. That was 37,610 kicks, y'all. And everything has gone through, which is awesome. The 2 of my receipts from yesterday's haul, or from my last haul, they didn't go through till the next morning, which was this morning. And I cashed out real quick. I cashed out 3 $25 PayPals and kept it rolling. So yeah, so Shopkick was $150.44. Ibotta's $33.50. Swagbucks was $5. Aisles was $4. I already got back the money for the Attention Grace. And last one of these was Fresh Reward, which was $3 for the Dove Men Care. That offer is $1.50 back when you spend $8 in body wash and body care. It didn't work for the hair care. All right, so $3 there. So we walk away with a total of $195.94. My net cost for this is $7.42, y'all. Less than $8 for this. I am not complaining. I am not complaining. Look, 14 cents per item. Sign me up. Okay, sign me up. In the comments, what's your favorite deal? I told y'all, when I'm making money, it's a good deal. All right, I love the Tresemme because I feel like I haven't been getting hair care since I stopped going to CVS. Like, seriously. So happy to get that. Happy to get the Lysol. And so, yeah, so other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If I don't see you guys again till Christmas, Merry Christmas. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next videos. Always, thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.